Hey guys, what is happening? It's been a while since we come on the YouTube, but me I tell you say, we're there Jamaica, we are vibe, we are have a buzz, and Cameron, he must surprise me. He is actually in the pool doing the aqua side. He must angle it, so me I'm sure no one go on. Bro, walk one. Let's go. Seem to save my life. What you want to save me? Eh? Murder.
I bet. My God. And we have the best KFC in the world. Normally persons will laugh, but it's the fact. But they use the local chicken, which is organic.
I'm going. I don't want to go take him at no big girl.
I was there last night.
So is the line out? Yeah, you can stop. Yeah, I want to go.
It's not open as yet. 10:30.
What time?
10:30.
First and last. Right.
So KFC and Burger King are the #1 fast food here.
Yeah, Burger King too?
Yep, yeah. I do Burger King like every day or every other day.
Oh, no, your boots stink.
Oh my
And here it's natural, not like what you guys have back home.
Right.
So is it that you are saying
your gas thing?
Oh, my gas thing?
Yeah.
No, that's the one you have back home.
Your flagellant.
I made a few tracks earlier. You didn't smell anything, right? And we had McDonald's here, but they didn't want to use the local beef, so we had to kick them out. And I'm sure whatever they're using ain't beef. So what Burger King did was to purchase all the locations and turn them into Burger King. And we also have the red hair girl with the ribbons.
Wendy.
Yeah, she's also here. And Popeyes.
It ain't the best in the world, though.
Wendy's?
Yes.
Not here. Maybe the line at the red hair girl would be maybe 4 or 5 cars. Unlike KFC, the line is all around to the back of the building. We're gonna and there's more KFC here. Last night I was there for almost an hour. And I got to do the fact that I knew I know someone there.
So she can have some more KFC.
That's different. That is it! That is it! Jeez! Let's see if I can stay. Wow!
Mama, is it supposed to be fully yellow?
Yeah.
Johnny, we make you be good tonight.
Hi! My happy birthday, babe! Cheers! What's this? Yeah? Oh. is different.
You put the wine. Oh, what the? I want to cook it. I want to cook it.
Wow. Oh, fling her! Fling! Show looks like you next enough. You next. Just so we are. Ay! 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 Let's go! Ay! Ah! Dan! Ay! Cool! Cool! Jesus! Mom! Ay! 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 Baby! Ay! Ay! Thank you. Jesus, you have to get it in the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
Huh?
Wendo,
F plus T.
what that mean?
Sheila.
What? That's good. About fire, man. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, gee. What do I want to name?
Oh, special.
Ah, this is yours, dearly. Big up yourself. Thanks to take care away.
Respect, man.
Which party beach party I keep tonight?
Right down here, sir.
And then put your yes, sir?
Back on the beach, man.
And then put your yes, sir?
Yeah, we have finished at 6 o'clock. Yeah. So night time, we don't go all night.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, yeah. True. Alright, Lily. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, see you now. Take care.
Alright, big up.
my picture.